join the ceremonial toast here on stage, calling on Attorney Carl Fernandez, Mr. Gary Ong, Mr. Paul Lim, Mr. Jonathan Yap, and Mr. Edwin Santos. Please make your way on the stage. And Mr. Edsel T, please join us on stage. There you go! Hello, sir! Alright, are we all complete? Ayan, and the drinks are coming! Alright, Mr. Kyle Han, please do the honor of leading to the ceremonial toast with a few words for our calendar girl.
Hello. Thank you everyone for being here tonight. Friends from the media, I truly appreciate all the positive spins you're putting on everything. It's amazing. To the Tanduay team for making this event happen. You guys worked extremely hard and extremely inspired to be part of the team. Thank you, Pal, for letting us use such an important venue, such a historical venue, family, and for all the companies. We really couldn't have done this without every single one of you guys. And of course, to the new 2025 calendar girl, Kip. Beautiful, and just courageous and generous. So thank you again. We dedicate this year's to you and to Tanduay. Thank you, everyone.
Cheers, everybody! Here's to Tanduay and here's to Kim. Alright, thank you, Mr. Lucio and Carlton, and likewise to our Tanduay executives, Attorney Carl Fernandez, Mr. Gary Ong, Mr. Paul, Mr. Jonathan Yap, Mr. Edwin Santos, and Sophie. Okay, mukhang naka-warm up na ang lahat. We were able to have a few drinks here. Masarap? Yes, mainit. Mainit, hindi. Kasi init po ni Kenchu. Alright, and this is one of the, I would say this is one of the exciting parts of the program. Okay, because now we will be opening the floor to our friends from the media. Can we have a seat? So, ito na. Please feel free to ask our Tanduay calendar girl about her journey and what it means to represent the brand. Kim, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Nakapag-stretching ka na?
Stretching, and nakasip na rin ako ng Tanduay.
So, mainit-init.
Let's do this.
Okay. Ang painitin natin ngayon, yung upuan mo naman.
Yes.
Hot seat down. Okay, I know we have questions from the media. Ready na ba ang ating media friends to ask the first question? Okay, ito yung mga
Gusto ko yung may papel dito sa harap.
Ayan yung nahulog kong papel kanina. Okay. Alright, I believe our first question is coming from Miss Abigail Adrianico from Manila Standard. Miss Abby, you can make your way here to the front of the stage so we can ask him the question up close and personal. Grabe. Alam niyo si Kim Cho, kung akala niyo sa malayo maganda, lalo na sa mas malapitan.
What was your initial reaction when you found out that you have been chosen as the calendar girl for 2023?
Alright, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I am Kim Chu and I'm your Tanduay Calendar Girl 2023. My initial reaction, of course, I'm shocked and I asked myself if I'm ready to do this. Kasi syempre, a lot of people know me since Pinoy Big Brother house. So I grew up in front of everyone's eye. Not everyone siguro, pero most of the people, so they've known me and I grew up in front of their eyes, and I think it's about time na rin for me to do this. And I feel empowered actually. I feel grateful to be the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days, pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman.
Your goodness, Abby, thank you!
I'm ready talaga ako. Keep on coming. Let's go.
Okay. Kim, are you ready for our second question?
Yes.
Okay, this one naman is coming from Miss Cassie Acana from Manila Bulletin. Miss Cassie.
Hi, first of all, congrats on this. Your first time to go and Manila Bulletin.
Yes. And ito, bakas ni Juliana, if you watch the video. Yes, this is her.
So since this year's theme is about aura, for you, how would you describe aura?
Aura is, para sa akin, it's a celebration of individuality and authenticity, I think. Kasi we all have different types of beauty, we all have different types of confidence, and lahat naman tayo, we all have our own struggles that we hide, and it exudes sa confidence natin. And for me kasi, yung pagiging resilient is a number one for me. Kasi no matter what life throws you, you end up standing up. So I'm here, despite all the challenges that I face. I'm here in front of everyone else, smiling, standing as your Tanduay Calendar Girl. So isa to sa mga bagay na I never thought I would be doing in my career. Kaya this is such a big step for me, and I'm very proud to be here in front of you. And that's my aura. Strong aura.
Follow-up question na this. Sobrang cute mo na pinili na parang Victoria's Secret Angel. So, hindi na nakapakalan mo yung pinili parang Victoria's Secret.
Akala ko talaga Victoria's Secret model ako, but I'm proud to be a Tanduay model.
Feel ko talaga.
Sabi ko, hindi ako consistent because I'm a woman. No, we all have different types of explanation of what a woman is, and that's who I am. I want to just enjoy every step of my journey that I'm experiencing right now. And I'm very lucky to experience all this sa buhay ko, sa career ko, and with everything that's happening to me right now. Thank you so much.
Oh, how beautiful, Kim. Super deserved. All the best, Kim. So beautiful. It's so beautiful lang yun sa akin. Beautiful yung answer.
You are beautiful, Joe.
Grabe guys, galing kay Kim Chu. Okay, for the third question, can I please call on Miss Kathleen Go from Chinoy TV. Hi, Miss Kathleen.
Hello, Ms. Kim. Can you share with us kung paano ka naghanda para sa election ito? And is there any memorable moment during the process?
Paano naghanda? Actually, if you follow me on my Instagram account, I always work out. Parang physically, because parang endorphin siya. Parang it makes me happy, it pumps up my day. But more than the physical paghahanda, it's more on the mental readiness that I'll be facing. Lalo na ng pictorial namin. Yung first suot ko ng damit na yung blue. Parang, oh my God, am I really doing this? my mental readiness if I am really ready to do this. Pero I am very much ready naman, and here I am now with mga pictures, photos, and all. And I'm very happy with the outcome and how it went, and then what's the result. Sobrang worth it. Yeah, thank you so much, Tanduay, for the trust.
Thank you, Miss Kathy. Nakita naman talaga Kim, yung pag-prepare.
Ayun, yung color blue. Ay! Yung color blue. Just go.
Wow! Kinabahan ka dyan. Really
Yes. I am super nervous, pero mentally ready now. Kasi 2 months, 2 or 3 months nag-prepare for that photo shoot. So thank you to my team for taking care of me and to Tanduay team.
Yeah, meron ko bang favorite? Ako tanong mo na, meron ko bang favorite photo?
Actually, isa yan sa mga favorite ko kasi nakahiga talaga sa mga flowers.
Ay, so
Yeah.
malambot siya.
Yes, and also, actually, lahat 10 layout siya. Ako sinabi ko na, inaabot naman. So 10 siya, and then yung favorite ko, isa din yan sa mga actually, lahat, iba-iba. So, I'm very excited for you to see it.
Yay!
You're proud. I'm proud of you.
Congrats sa pinaghirapan mo yourself. Okay, our next question is coming from Mr. Bob Reyes from Manila Bulletin. Sir Bob, your question please.
Hi, Kim. You mentioned about empowerment. I'm here. Okay, so you mentioned about empowerment, and we might look up to you as their role model. So, and what will be your message?
To all the women who look up to me.
Yeah, role model.
To all the women out there, I think this is a reminder that there's no dream that is too big, no milestone that is too far. And may saying nga sila na success is not just about where you've been, but where you're willing to go. And that's my definition of success. To keep going and never stop. But it will stop for a while, rest, and just keep going and reach for your dreams. Kasi minsan akala mo, eto ka na. Parang, I've reached my peak, eto na yun. But life gives you a lot of surprises. Na parang, wow, meron pa pala. So never stop dreaming, never stop believing, and just keep going. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Bob. Can you just say that this is the biggest surprise of your year?
Yes, of course. I want to end my year and to start the year next year with a bang. So that is it.
Yes, very nice. Okay. Now, Sir Ron Len from GMA will be asking a question. Go ahead, sir.
Hi, Kim. So, this isn't just any calendar, it's the Tanduay calendar. So, the history behind it. So, what was challenging for you to embody dun sa Tanduay calendar girl aura, and paano na overcome yung challenge?
Challenge? Actually, it's not a challenge talaga. Because Tanduay is an iconic brand that's been with each and every Filipino celebration. So, a birthday, Christmas, or wala, normal lang. Everyone knows Tanduay, and it's very iconic, and it's been with us years na, and it's been known not just locally but also globally. And I'm very grateful to be representing Tanduay this 2025 because I believe I myself is also an icon. Sumobra ata yung pag-inom ko. So, I am very happy to represent Tanduay, one of the iconic brands here in the Philippines.
Pero wala naman connection ng your work kasi talagang yung arts or napigutuloy just calendar.
Siyempre, meron pa rin doubts kasi hindi naman 100% confident na yes, yes. Siyempre, the people on social media, they have a lot of comments, good, bad, or anything. Everyone's valid with their opinions. Pero I am just very happy that my supporters, my fans, don't cry. ko alam kung susuportahan siya ng mga maraming tao. But I believe, every time lalabas ako, nandiyan yung mga tao sumusuporta sa akin. I'm 100% confident that I will get through kasama sila.
Nakita natin yung Okay, our next question is coming from Sir Ricky Garcia from the Daily Tribune. Sir Ricky, go ahead.
Hello, Kim. First of all, congratulations to you and to Tanduay Studios.
Thank you.
And to the organizers for this very amazing night. My question is, as a Tanduay Calendar girl, what message do you want to leave for your fans embracing their own aura or uniqueness?
I think it's more than just being a calendar girl. It's about breaking barriers. It's about embracing my confidence, and it's about celebrating every step of my journey. And I enjoy everything from the start until today. I enjoy the journey go here and show business, and also in my personal life. So I celebrate every step. So thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Ricky Garcia. Alam mo, agree ako doon. It's so important to really celebrate everything.
Yes, everything.
Yeah, minsan gusto ko na lang parang, how do you say that? I-downplay yung achievements mo ba? You only live once.
Totoo yan. Kahit yung normal 2-kilometer run, i-celebrate mo. Girl, nakapag 2-kilometer run ako, congratulations! That's how I see life. I celebrate even the smallest milestone na meron ako.
Small wins.
Yeah, small wins. Combine mo sila together, it's gonna be extra beautiful.
Okay. Thank you. Ito na, from Miss Gail Krishna. Please go ahead.
You said a while ago that you're having a year with the band, and then opening 2025 with the band. And I'm talaga naman we're so ready for that. Pero, ano ba yung mga kasi ng fans this coming 2025?
This coming 2025, aside from being the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025, I also have a movie under Star Cinema with Paula Villanova. And the title is My Love Will Make You Disappear. So sana hindi sila mag-disappear. Nakikisupport ako.
Thank you. Thank you also, Miss Gail Krishna from ABS-CBN once again. Kim, ang ganda na mga tanong.
Thank you so much.
And wait, ang daming kinilig sa Kim pa. Before, while you still have the mic, let me ask you for a message for the Tanduay group of companies, and of course for everybody that is here tonight.
Last of all, I just want to say thank you so much for being here tonight. Lahat kayo, thank you for taking time to see my launching as your Tanduay girl. And thank you so much for all the beautiful questions that you've asked me. Sana nasagot ko siya na maayos. And then to Tanduay family, thank you so much for trusting me to represent your brand this 2025. And again, my heart is full, I'm very grateful, and I'm ready to step one notch higher as who I am with Mochi. So thank you so much everybody, and please support all my shows, and cheers! Cheers to Tanduay! Cheers to amazing 2025!